Hello, welcome to K1 Repair Center. We are going to compare the hot air gun with a laser welding machine. Have a look how quickly it's going to happen. We are using first the laser one. Go to the E10, and we are going to take it. We got two identical motherboard, so I found two same chip, and we are going to first we do it with the laser one, and afterwards we do it with the hot air gun. So for the time I'm going to stop the time and have a look how long it take it. So you want to go on the top there, sure, there. So I'm going to press the operating pedal. 1 second, just I need to find the gap to able. So there you go. I'm going to press the pedal now. I'm at the same time press the timer. So it still is heating up. We got 25 seconds. It still is heating. We got 52. So it's up, it stopped 1 minute and 5 seconds. So we got up for 1 minute and 5 seconds. I'm very sure if I put the 6mm lens in there, it should be quicker. Now we are going to use the same, and we are going to use 370 and 40. So we are going to let the reset that one, and we are going to also wait to that one to temperature go at the 370. So we got 370. I'll wait out of a couple of few seconds to be 100% so it's same temperature. So I'm going to hold it and press this stopwatch now. And so you need to cover it inside the chip, but this is only compare the laser with the hot air gun machine. But I want to say you need to cover it the side that is not low away, but I'm going to do it without it. Have a look. Some of the smoke going on. We got 56 seconds. We got 1 minute and 8, and we got 1 minute and 11 seconds. The 370 and what was it? 370 40. So you can see it's much quicker. It's not that quick, but it's quicker, and it's more comfortability because it sees, if you see side there, they all move. They all move, and you're not worried about the laser one. You're not worried about to move it. However, it depends who is feeling comfortable with it and who want to go spend it, I don't know, how much they're 600-700 bucks for it. There are 600-700 pounds for them. They're selling it, you see? Well, maybe more. I saw one in eBay for selling for 800. But you just want to compare between that and that. Hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. Kmart Repair Center.